DAT 2026 Dental School Aptitude Test Admission Exam Tips. All you need to know. Question 1. Which organelle is responsible for ADP production? Nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria, lysosome. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell where ADP is generated. Question 2. In a cross between two heterozygous individuals, AAXAA, what is the phenotypic ratio? 1:1, 3:1, 9:3:3:1, 1:2:1. A monohybrid cross between heterozygotes results in a 3:1 dominant to recessive ratio. Question 3. What is the molarity of a solution containing 2 moles of solute in 4 liters of solvent? 0.5 m, 2.0 m, 8.0 m, 4.0 m. Molarity equals moles/liters equals 2/4 equals 0.5 m. Question 4. Which functional group contains AC equals O double bond? Alcohol, ether, carbonyl, alkane. The carbonyl group consists of a carbon atom double bonded to an oxygen atom. Question 5. How many cubes are in a stack that is 3 cubes wide, 3 cubes deep, and 3 cubes high? 9, 18, 27, 81. Volume equals 3*3*3 equals 27. Question 6. Which of the following is a characteristic of prokaryotes? Nucleus, membrane-bound organelles, circular DNA, mitosis. Prokaryotes have circular DNA and lack a nucleus. Question 7. The PAT section of the DAT includes which type of problem? Algebra, cube counting, organic chemistry, biology. Cube counting is a standard task in the perceptual ability test. Question 8. What is the product of the reaction between an acid and a base? Salt and water, sugar, oil, oxygen. A neutralization reaction produces salt and water. Question 9. Which enzyme is responsible for unwinding the DNA double helix? DNA polymerase, helicase, ligase, primase. Helicase breaks the hydrogen bonds to unzip the DNA strands. Question 10. What is the hybridization of carbon in methane? CH4, sp-sp2, sp3, dsp2. Methane has 4 single bonds, resulting in sp3 hybridization. Question 11. In the perceptual ability test, apertures problems are also known as cube counting, keyhole, paper folding, angle discrimination. Apertures problems require matching a 3D object to a 2D hole. Question 12. Which hormone lowers blood glucose levels? Glucagon, insulin, adrenaline, thyroxine. Insulin promotes the uptake of glucose by cells, lowering blood levels. Question 13. Which gas law relates pressure and volume at a constant temperature? Charles's law, Boyle's law, Gay-Lussac's law, Avogadro's law. Boyle's law states PV equals K. Question 14. The sequence of amino acids in a protein is called its primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, quaternary structure. The primary structure is the linear sequence of amino acids. Question 15. Which subatomic particle has a negative charge? Proton, neutron, electron, positron. Electrons are negatively charged particles. Question 16. What is the pH of a neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius? 0, 7, 14, 1. Neutral water has a pH of 7. Question 17. Which section of the DAT measures mathematical skill? Natural sciences, perceptual ability, reading comprehension, quantitative reasoning. Quantitative reasoning covers algebra and numerical calculations. Question 18. An alkene contains at least one single bond, double bond, triple bond, aromatic ring. Alkenes are hydrocarbons with at least one C=C double bond. Question 19. What is the term for the movement of water across a semipermeable membrane? Diffusion, osmosis, active transport, endocytosis. Osmosis is the specific diffusion of water. Question 20. Angle discrimination in the PAT requires you to measure angles, rank angles by size, draw angles, identify right angles. Candidates must rank 4 angles from smallest to largest.